Hi everyone. How many times have you put toothpaste on blemishes when they show up? Well, there's a much better and more effective solution, and it's a tea tree oil, or Melaleuca. It is renowned for its cleansing and rejuvenating properties on the skin. So the only thing you have to do is just take it out and dab it on the skin or a problem spot or wherever you have a blemish. And its chemical composition makes it really effective. If you can do it overnight or even in the morning underneath your makeup or a moisturizer. Another good way to use Melaleuca, which I don't do it enough, honestly, is to clean up your makeup brushes. And makeup brushes are sometimes cause for us to even get those blemishes. They have to be really cleaned on a regular basis, and they're going to last much longer. I'm going to show you how you can clean your makeup brushes. So to clean the brushes, you will need 1/3 cup of cast-iron soap, unscented. You can just put it in the bowl. Add 10 drops of Melaleuca. Okay, and water. Oops. You can just take the brushes, just swirl them inside. See how it's coming out, everything. And this is a month of not cleaning your makeup brush. That's how it looks like. Okay, and then you would just rinse in real quick and just set it on the paper towel to dry. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys.